What are some of the consequences for crimes when you're convicted in municipal court? That is a great question. You have to know this. Anything in municipal court, typically, any crime is usually not that bad. And normally, for a crime in municipal court, you will not do jail time. You could, depending upon your record and if you have a lot of priors. But what really happens is your municipality, say you get charged with some type of assault or something outside a bar, the police come. First, it always gets processed in municipal court. Someone from the county prosecutor's office comes by, it's called the zone prosecutor, either once a week or once every couple weeks, and they look through these municipal charges. The ones they think are bad, they pull up to the Superior Court as an indictable. The ones that they don't think are that bad, they typically remand down to the municipal court. Now, what are the consequences? Well, of course, it depends on what you plead to. But it goes from anything from fines, and fines could be as high as $2,500. Some of the consequences could be you have to do some anger management, or you have to do some type of drug or alcohol rehabilitation. The municipal judges, they do have a lot of discretion of the penalties that they want you to do. It's important that you get a good lawyer because there is a lot of range, and they have a lot, a good attorney has a lot that they can do to tell you, like for instance, say, hey, you know what, before we go to court and meet the prosecutor, let's have you already enrolled in some type of rehabilitation, or that you already have a couple courses in anger management. So when we go to the prosecutor, we could say, look, what a good person. My guy didn't, or my girl, she didn't even wait until the judge ordered them. They went and did it on their own because they need help and they want the help. Well, when you go in with something like that, it has a much more powerful effect. So just to sum it up again, the consequences of municipal court convictions, they can be strict, they can be tough, but usually, you know, nothing compared to the Superior Court when you get into first, second, you know, third and fourth degree crimes. However, you need to get a good attorney to make sure that we mitigate them as much as possible.